Who are trade finance providers? Trade finance providers include funding institutions, banks, funds, or alternative financiers who can support you by providing trade finance facilities for the import of goods from local or global suppliers without investing your cash funds. There are two types of trade finance providers available: banks, private trade finance providers. Usually, when it comes to availing trade finance support from banks, they will require you to provide a 100% cash margin or collateral to issue the bank instrument. But in case of private trade finance providers, they used to have their own bank facilities available with banks, which they will use to extend on behalf of traders to get the bank instrument issued. Unlike banks, private trade finance providers will not demand for any cash margin or collateral. Rather, you need to pay the issuance fee charges to get the instrument issued. Being a leading private trade finance provider in Dubai, we, Bronzewing Trading, specialize in assisting clients globally by providing the required financial instrument from our own bank account. To know more about us, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.